Okay, so here at Phyt, we have compiled a 3-day workout that's amazing, that will definitely fit your needs. Plus, we have amazing seasonal exclusive material. So we're cool. Okay, so before we get straight into the workout, we have to go for a warm-up because warm-ups are important. And here's your warm-up. All you have to do for the warm-up is binge watch sitcoms or movies. So here's workout 1. For workout 1, all you have to do is simply walk around the house aimlessly. Remember to get off with workout 2. For workout 2, you simply have to hide your phone and then have a nap. Workout 3 is also very important. Workout 3, all you have to do is find your phone. Where is it? So here are our seasonal exclusives. Our summer material is exclusively exemplary. This workout requires sunbathing in the sun until you think you're almost sunburned, and then staying in the sun for another hour minimum to make sure you have lots of sunburn. Fall is cool because it's fall, so do it anyways. For fall, all you have to do is rake a pile of leaves higher than your head, try and jump on it, miss, and hit a rock. Here's our winter program, although everyone knows you're not going to do it because Christmas, yay! Our winter exclusive is definitely the hardest. You have to actually neglect shoveling the snow outside. Hey, honey, can you shovel a driveway? No, Mom. Nobody even cares. Always make sure to spring into action with our spring material. Spring's pretty simple. All you have to do is bust out the rubber boots and then go jumping. We have a complimentary dietary plan. This program is all exclusively eating McDonald's. Not satisfied yet? Here at Phyt, our employees are committed to making sure you are happy and healthy. That being said, our employees are willing to take into consideration everything that you say.
No, we aren't.
Shut up, Arnold. No one cares. So come buy our products today.